Welcome to another beginner ESL-lounge reading lesson video. Today we will be reading Anna the Artist. Let's begin with some vocabulary. Artist, a person who paints or draws pictures. Studio, a special room where an artist works. Canvas, the white square an artist paints on. Bright, strong and easy to see. Proud, feeling very happy about something you did. Gallery, a place that shows and sells paintings. Great, now you know the key words, let's read the story. Anna is an artist, and she works in a small studio. Her studio is full of paint and brushes, but it is very tidy. She uses a big canvas and loves to use bright colors like red, yellow and blue. Anna paints beautiful pictures of flowers and the sea. She works for many hours, and she feels very proud of her work when it is finished. Sometimes, people come to her studio to see her art. They can also buy her paintings from a small, local gallery in the town. Okay, time for a few questions to check your understanding. Question 1. What does Anna use to make her art? A. A camera and a phone. B. Paint and brushes. C. A computer and a mouse. Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is B. The text says her studio is full of paint and brushes. Question 2. What does Anna like to paint? A. Cars and cities. B. Animals and trees. C. Flowers and the sea. Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is C. The text says Anna paints beautiful pictures of flowers and the sea. Question 3. How does Anna feel about her work? A. She is proud. B. She is bored. C. She is sad. Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is A. The text says she feels very proud of her work. Let's quickly summarize the lesson. On this screen you can review the main points of the text and the key vocabulary. Finally, here are a few discussion questions. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this ESL-lounge video. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons, and we'll see you in the next one.